Question number 10 in the chapter 12 review, we want to parameterize x minus 2 squared plus 4y squared equals 4 in terms of sine and cosine. So if you recognize this equation, it is an ellipse. You can see that it's an ellipse because although it's x squared plus y squared, there is no coefficient in front of x. There is a coefficient in front of y, so different coefficients. The center of this ellipse is at 2, 0. So you can see that the radius in one of my directions is going to be square root of 4 is 2, and in the other direction is going to be 1, since 4 divided by 4 is 1. So let's do the x direction first. I know that I want x minus 2 to be equal to the radius 2 times cosine theta. The reason I want this is because x minus 2 squared is 4 cosine squared theta. When you take that into account with the y term, you know that you want the y term to end up being 4 sine squared, so that 4 cosine squared and 4 sine squared add up to 4. The 4 is already there. That means that you just want the y to be equal to sine of theta. Therefore, when you see 4y squared, you see 4 sine squared. Okay? In that case, you're going to have 4 cosine squared plus 4 sine squared equals 4 times 1, or 4. Now, this is what x minus 2 is equal to, so x itself is going to be equal to 2 cosine theta plus 2, and y is going to be equal to sine theta. So we have the parameterizations for x and for y.